Good morning, students. Let us start ourselves with the new topic of English grammar, articles. Now, what are articles? Articles are words that are used to define a noun as specific or unspecific. Basically, there are three kinds of articles, A and D. We can divide the articles in three types as indefinite articles, A and an, definite articles, D. When you have to decide whether to use an article and which article to use, we have to consider this following chart. Choosing the right article. Look at this side first. First of all, what you have to look is the noun singular and countable. If yes, then we have to look whether is it definite. If it is definite, then is it yes, then we have to use the article the. And if it is not definite, so we have to use the article a and. Looking on to the another side, if the noun is plural or uncountable, then we have to look forward, is it definite? If it is definite, then we have to use the article the. And if it is not definite, we have to use the article, none of the article to be used. Let's consider some of the example. I bought a book. Book is a singular and countable noun. Therefore, it has to have an article, but we don't know which book is referring to. Therefore, it is indefinite. So, here we use article A as it has consonant sound also. Let us look on some another examples. The book I bought is interesting. I like the books you gave me. Blood is thicker than water. Blood and water are singular uncountable nouns. So they are used in a general sense. Therefore, they do not need an article. I bought 2 books. You do not need any article here because there is already the word to being used over here. Whereas I bought some books. In this also you doesn't need to use any of the articles. Now, how do you know whether an article and which article to be used? A singular countable noun must have an article if there is no other number, determiner or possessively. To, are, this, etc. If the noun is plural, an article may not be necessary. Let us look at these examples. Our house, no need because possessive noun considered as are. This year, there is also no need to use as if it is a determiner. This car, need because it is a singular and countable noun without any determiner. Trees, there is need to use an article depending on whether the noun is definite or indefinite. For example, trees are usually green. No article as in general sense and not definite because it is not specific at all. The trees are in the park are green. Article is needed because it is specifically being said or known to the reader. Is that clear? Okay.